Casino McNabb, aka Casino Like Prez, and this is Brickhouse Performance. Man, we out here in Sacramento. We in the mountains, man. But before we get into this, we're gonna take you to Chicago, man. I gotta show y'all something, man. Stay tuned. Come with me. Get back. Stop. Relax. Relax. Down. Down. Stop. You're ready to fight. Down. Relax. That boy trained up in Chicago. No, nigga, move. Down. Down. Relax, man. You trying to bite something. Relax. Why don't you introduce him to us, man?
What's going on, man? I'm Jalen Cowan over here with Renegade Pits. This is my boy Crow Mac, pure Crow dog with a little bit of about 25% Tex-Mex in the blood. No. Stop, man. Calm down. Relax. Yeah, these are my pups right here. So it's some Crow crossed up with some of that moonshine stuff. So about 50% Luke Kane. Off an inbred Luke Kane bitch. Real nice pups, good structure. Expecting some heavy bone out of them. A lot of super extreme drive. Just everything you want out of a bulldog. Some good size out of them. Good. You want to go do some confirmation shows, you can. Shoot, treadmill racing, wall climbing, all that stuff you want to do with these dogs, you can do them. Even as a good pet too, that'll be good as a pet too.
Yes, sir. How much he weighing?
He's about 65 pounds right now. And that's pretty he had a good lean size right now, so he's about 65 pounds right now. I haven't fully trimmed him down all the way yet, but I think I'll probably get him down like full condition weight, about 55, about 54, 55 pounds.
For sure. Looking good. For sure. That's Crow Shine right there. Only one with the white on the nose.
Mm-hmm. Go his dog right here. Nice little bitch. I had a little all 8 females. She's gonna have a good head on her, good structure, nice bone. She's gonna be long, thick. She got a lot of good drive. She's gonna be a nice bitch when she get older.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man.
You already know.
We honored to have her at Brickhouse Performance, man. Crow Shine. That's what we naming him. Nickname's Crow Shine.
Yeah.
His daughter off of Crow Mac and Mother Russia.
No, sit.
Let me check it out. Hey. Nickname's Crow Shine. Coming by way of Chicago, Illinois.
Yes, sir.
We out here handling 2-in-1 business, man. You know, got a little Rambo. My guy, Pat, came from Ohio. Met me out here. He got a little Rambo up off me. There's a Canelo's son. And met up with my boy Jalen. He got me this beautiful female. For way the moonshine, man. I've been always wanting one that's crossed like that though. Like I'm a big fan of both the top and the bottom. You know, when you bring a puppy to your program, it's important that, you know, it fit everything that you really looking for, so that you really appreciate it. You know, I've been offered a lot of dogs, and I never accepted one, but this is an excellent breeding, I feel like, so I wanted part. So welcome to Crow Shine. I appreciate you, man. Real
Yes,
talk.
sir. It's always good to have dogs. People say they got Mayday program, but you gotta have, depending on which dog Mayday coming through. So I couldn't have picked a better specimen to have Mayday coming through than Moonshine. Shout out the Garden State Terriers for always producing quality dogs, man.
Yes, sir.
Stop.
65 pounds, solid. Y'all know I love them big dogs over here. Brickhouse Performance, man.
Yeah, 65 pounds, bro.
Gonna be a big girl. Big girl. Crow Shine. Crow Shine. Crow Shine. Garden State Terrier Moonshine daughter. Mother Rush. And you can see she got this good bone structure too. Good conformation as well. She's a good mother. Had 8 females, all of them made it. Mine's over there going crazy. As she should. You know what I mean? Mayday at its finest. One thing about Brickhouse Performance, you know, we gonna go wherever in the world to get them superior genetics, man. Feel me? I respect this program. Look at it.
I'll get that healthy pups over here, man. Nice big bitch. Think she might turn out to be 60 pounds. She's going to Akron, Ohio.
Sir.
Got this one, she's still available. She's gonna be a nice sized dog, you can tell. Still got a lot of filling out that skin to do. Good confidence. I'll keep it right here. Renegade Pit Summer.
Hey, Summer.
Great drive, great character on this pup.
All girls is crazy.
Yeah, man.
All girls is crazy.
I'm shooting to have at least next breeding. Stay tuned. We got something special coming up with this next breeding. Get down.
Chicago, man.
Yes, sir.
Finna hit that road. Finna pull up St. Louis. Spend the night there. Then I'm gonna hit Sacramento, man. We getting this shit done, man.
I already know, man. Come tap in with both of you. I want some good quality dogs, man.
Yes, sir.
Good quality dogs and quality people, man. That's what it's about.
Yes, sir. As you see, I'm tired. Finna go drive another 4 hours to St. Louis. Give me some rest. You know, push it out, man. So y'all tap back in. We headed to Cali. Yeah, it's Crow Shine. Sir.
You already know.
For real. In Cheyenne, where I'm at? Cheyenne, Wyoming. Where we at? 17 hours away from Sacramento, California. On that road, man. You know what I mean? Getting it done, man. Over at Brickhouse Performance. No matter where the blood is at, we're gonna go get it. You know what I mean? If I feel like it's important for the program, I'm gonna go get it. That's what we're doing right now. You know what I mean? Y'all already seen we went to Texas to get the Niggerino blood. We moved on from that particular dog. And just stick with the original Niggerino blood that we already had in the program, like Bigfoot, Finesse, all that blood right there. We went that direction instead, but that was a great experience. This whole trip really been about Mayday blood, Bolio blood. In Chicago, we went and got that Mayday blood, Croatia on top, moonshine on the bottom. And 17 hours from now, we'll be in Sacramento, California, picking up that Vise grip Mayday blood. You know what I mean? I named that puppy Cali J. That's short for California Jack. Salute to California Jack. Made a big impact on the game in a short amount of time with a small amount of dogs. With the Vise grip dogs, the Vise grip family of dogs. I've been trying to track that blood down. Finally found it. It ended up being on the whole other side of the country. The specific blood that I was looking for. This pup is a double red LPK red man. As Latin played Kendall's red man. His name before his name was Red Man was Torta when he was in Mexico. He came to America. When the Latin played Kendall's name was Red Man. Then he went to Red Eye Kennels and his name was Joker. He's no longer alive. And Peanut and Layla, which are the sire and dam of Cali J, those are probably the last of the LPK Red Man blood in the world. So this is a very important puppy. The Bolio coming through Mason's hammer. Very, very, very rare blood. You know what I mean? Rare blood. And I'm honored to be able to get the opportunity to put my hands on it. Yeah. Wichita, not Wichita. I'm tired, y'all, man. But where we at? Cheyenne, Wyoming. Cheyenne, Wyoming.
I got oil, I got hell, I got west, I got flow. Hey, one song for feeling like Rocco. Big bitch, spinning to the chips in the Rocco. I got pretty women showing teeth like I'm Flocko. I came in a hard time, still in the drop though. I can make the chart drop whenever I want drop some. I can get my big bro down here, pop some. These niggas not real strong, they impossible. I know that my awesome when I'm playing pop. Bitch won't do the team, bitch you won't fight. Bitch we just be eating, fuck who gon' like. And we gon' fight. Rest in peace to the pop baby. She's so fine that I lost it, baby. Congratulations. She running so good that I graduated. Baby. A trapper, baby. I rap, but I own my masters, baby.
McNair Crowshine. Man, I'm somewhere in Wyoming, middle of the desert, getting the gas. 13 hours away, Sacramento, California. On that road, big Crowshine, big Crowshine. Let's get it. We in Utah, man, about 40 minutes outside of Salt Lake City. Finna let these little rascals get some, stretch their legs, you know. Let them get out. Little pit area for them. Beautiful. One thing about America, it is big. Got all type of stuff going on. It's way bigger than Georgia, way bigger than the South. In the West, I feel like I'm one of them country westerns. God is good. Hold on. Coach Sean, get off me. Hey, my God. 9 weeks old, already going across the country. This is Croshawn's little mate's sister. I'm delivering her to South Carolina before I get back. So she don't have no name, but she a beautiful pup. Hey, mama. They want to attack my legs. Ah. Yeah, man, beautiful.
You got your hands full.
Oh yeah.
They are so cute. That is so awesome.
They're only 9 weeks.
Your buddies.
Oh yeah. Just got in Nevada, man, pumping this gas, man. I want to show y'all this view. Man, look at this. Beautiful. Kelly, come here, boy. What's up, boy?
Good boy. Good boy.
Hey, Speedy Red.
Come on, let me see. Come on, let's go.
There go Layla. His mama. Their mom Dukes. His Vice grip Mayday. But now see Vice grip yellow.
Yeah.
This Vice grip
Yellow
yellow.
on the bottom.
Yeah, Vice grip on top, yellow on the bottom. LPK Red Man on top. Your boy Peanut, that man. What's up, boy?
Good boy, son.
The Vice grip on top, he got the Mayday on the bottom. What's up, boy? Real Bolio, real Mayday. That's Pops right there. Cali J Pops. Peanut. What's up, Peanut? How old is he now? 8 years old. Look how he moving, man. Daddy 8, Mama 9. Almost 10. It ain't gonna be much more of this coming on, man. That's why I had to drive all the way out here for this, man. We in the mountains. In the real mountains, man. Mayday on Mayday, man.
They got that good tight skin. I like them. Active from the gate on.
Yeah, they turn. Yeah, she look how Layla snapped back, man. Like I said, 9 about to be 10. She had these pups. Look how she snapped back, man. Living good genetics. What's up, Layla? Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Good preservation breeding, man. These pups are double bred. LPK Red Man, aka REK's Joker. Layla finna be 10 years old, man. Still got it in there. Old lady, man. Bolio yellow. Red but Jackal Bolio. Bolio on top. Yellow on the bottom.
Oh, shit. I need to get him on a little foot there. You're not photogenic, buddy.
What's up, Kelly? Okay, get over, boy. Yeah, man.
Layla.
10 years.
Good girl.
Kelly J's mama.
Good girl. Good girl. And I'm going right here and I'm trying to show him the yard, and as I'm showing him, a deer just pops out from right there. Boom. Thank God I had Peanut that came out from there, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's nice
That
out
shit
here,
beautiful.
man.
Look at that deer. Wildlife and stuff.
You know?
We're wildlife.
The coyotes and all that, they know to stay away. But these deer, they mean no harm. You know?
Mm-hmm.
But shit, look, nothing but mountains, bro. Nothing but mountains all the way around.
That shit is crazy, bro.
Huh?
Real talk. You living that life, man. It's crazy. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Good boy. And then see, he don't know how to act without him either.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
What's up, Kelly? What's up, boy?
Hey, she keeps making that.
Trying to head back. Appreciate y'all watching. And come across the country with me while we get it together, man. Make that Kelly J. Gonna head back to the A. Know what it is. Man, Georgia to Cali. Feel me? But it's another one, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Finna hit this road. It's been a great trip, great networking, great shake hands, you know what I'm saying, across the country. You feel me? Everybody's good. You know, one thing about it, and this goes for anything in life. If you want something, you gotta go get it. It's just that simple. It sounds cliche, but it's really powerful statement, man. If you want something, you gotta go get it. You know, it's yours if you want it. It's up for the taking. You feel me? It's good. See you on it now. Appreciate it.